Hi, how are you,
Hello.
Anshul? Anshul, na? I forgot your
Um,
name to pronounce.
Anshu. I'm
Anshul.
fine. And you?
I'm also good. Where are you from, by the way? I know where you're from, but I want to listen you a little bit introduction. Could you share?
Oh, I'm from Patna,
Mhm.
and that's all. And you? Where are you from?
I'm from Bangalore recently. After got married, shipped in Bangalore. But by the way, I was living, Varanasi, UP, and my born bottom in Mumbai. So, so what are you doing, Anshu? What is your
Nothing.
study
I'm
and
just.
all?
No, I have just completed my study, and then I will study in night. Right now, I am just watching the scores of IPL.
Oh,
I'm just watching
so
the scores. Nothing else.
do you like match?
Yeah, I'm a big fond of cricket matches, any cricket match, any format,
So who,
IPL,
yeah.
T20.
So who is your favorite player?
Virat Kohli.
Yeah, okay, Virat Kohli. Hmm. So
And your? Do you watch
uh,
cricket?
no, I don't like too much. I like little bit. Virat Kohli. Every people like Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma. So,
Yeah, they are the best
so
couple. They are
Dhoni
the
also
best
like,
couple.
yeah, Dhoni also, I like him. Kohli also like. And even today, my husband bought, coffee, Virat Kohli coffee something. He, I think, made
Huh?
some, yeah, recently he launched any coffee founder. I don't like. He recently he bought coffee, Virat Kohli. Are you okay?
Co-
What happened?
Coffee with Virat?
No,
Nothing, nothing.
I think Virat Kohli have any, any company. I think he attached.
One at commune.
No, but no
That's
attached. But
what.
he launched in coffee. The coffee is a tea coffee. Coffee I'm talking about. He attached any
I
company.
know,
I
but
don't know. Mm-hmm.
that might be. But yeah, he has
Yeah.
opened his own restaurant, and his restaurant in many cities of India, like in Bengaluru, Delhi NCR, and
Mm-hmm.
Bombay. And the name of his restaurant is One Eight Commune. But I have not heard that he has launched
Mm-hmm.
his own coffee company.
Okay, okay. No, actually, also today I know means who is Virat Kohli. Also, he launched any coffee. Mention Virat Kohli coffee something. I don't know what's the name. I will say in picture. Today I bought, so that's why. Okay, actually, you like your favorite.
I
Virat Kohli. That's why I am asking this name.
Yeah, he is my favorite, but I have not heard about coffee.
It
Yeah,
is
he is.
okay.
He does
Yeah.
advertisement of ocean
Mm-hmm.
water and
Yeah, yeah.
like many other drinks.
Also, I didn't see I didn't see, but I bought no. I saw it online, Zepto online. I was shopping on Zepto, so that time I saw coffee. I bought. I will taste. Then definitely uh, say about coffee. What
Give
is the coffee taste?
give the feedback.
Feedback.
Give the
Definitely, I
feedback.
will give. And you living, Bihar, okay? So, what is your
Yeah.
favorite? What is the famous Bihar temple? Do you
Don't I
know?
don't know. I don't visit spiritual places, so I
Okay,
have no
okay,
any idea about
okay, okay.
temple or any famous temple.
So, so I think your exam is coming. I thought, no, I thought now it's completed exam.
A few weeks are left.
Oh, so how was the exam?
How will
How will? Acha, completed? Na you told.
No,
Okay.
sorry, a few weeks are left.
Okay, so you're doing practice?
Yeah. Oh, no, oh, sorry.
That's okay. So
Yes,
you're
I'm
doing
doing
practice?
practice.
So how is your
Yeah,
practice? How is your practice?
my entire bed is full with books, copies, notebooks,
Yeah, I can
pens,
understand. I can understand. So how is your English
and my.
journey?
I don't spend too much time on this. I just do to improve my English little bit and to improve
Mm-hmm.
my to gain the confidence and to improve my introvertness character, and that's
Mhm.
all. So it is going
Yeah, yeah.
good. I have improved a lot.
Also, you're very well in English. So that's
Oh, it is all
that's
about
good.
practice.
So yeah,
It is
actually,
all about
sorry, go ahead.
it's all about practice.
Okay, all about practice. So tell me about your what is a specific Bihar food and all everything. What is the famous?
I
Seriously?
don't know. I don't know anything about this. But I have heard that the famous food of Bihar is what is called litti chokha.
Yeah,
But
litti chokha. Of course,
I
people
don't know.
like yeah, litti chokha.
But no, but this is not my favorite.
Okay, okay, I can understand. So, and then what you heard about your, city, Bihar city? What you heard? Tell me, because you're living Bihar, but you don't know what is a famous or anything. You don't know, na? So, what you heard about Bihar? Tell me.
I don't know anything.
Oh,
No,
serious?
I just have heard that most of the IS and IPS are with
Yeah.
from Bihar in every year. It's not of 1 year or 2 years. Every year.
Yeah, and Khan sir
So
is,
you know
do you
Bihar.
know? Do you know Khan sir?
I have heard his name, but I don't know
Ah.
about exactly what are the subject he teaches and where his classes is.
He is a
I have
multitasker. Khan is a multitask because I saw so actually I have watching every day. His class. Comedy. He's a very comedy. Khan is a very comedy. So many time I am watching daily. I watch. He's a very
is he
comedy. I like
comedian?
him. Yeah, I like him. Khan
Is he
sir.
comedian or he
He's
is
a good
teacher?
teacher. No, he's a good teacher, but he explain any subject very brief and very comedy type. That's why people can understand very easily. So I like his session and everything. So, and you have any
So what are the
question?
subject? What are the subjects he teaches?
Yeah, actually, so many means math I heard, and geography. I think he's a multitasking person. So many time I heard, but actually I have no knowledge in geography and math and all, science and all. But I like actually I remember always time comedy video. So I focus on the comedy videos him to him.
I have watched his video many times while teaching geography, but I have never seen that he is teaching physics, chemistry, or mathematics or
Okay.
biology.
Okay. No, I heard so many time. I think comedy time he told, but he has very knowledge, GK knowledge, very knowledge. So, and I heard some video. He told I will become one day lawyer, advocate. He told because of and some very poor people want to make ISPCS, but people have no money. So that's why I will help poor people. So he told.
Yeah, he's a very
Yeah,
humble guy.
very humble, very humble. I like him, activity, everything is very simple, simplicity. That's why. And some one day he
Uh,
went, Kapil Sharma show. So,
yeah, I have watched this
oh,
video on Reels. I have watched this video on Reels.
Reels, yeah, I saw Reels also.
So
Hmm.
how you got to know about Khan sir? I mean, have you taken his classes?
No, I never, taken his classes, but he's a very popular person, na. Even so many, sir is very famous, but Khan sir's study is very different. He's a comedian person, and actually not comedy about comedy with knowledge. So both he did mix. So that's why I like, and he explained very easily. He explained very easily, so that's why I like him. And
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
In the last Raksha Bandhan, he has tied Raksha Bandhan. I think that was around 1,000, and his
Yeah, I
hand was
saw.
full
I
of
saw.
Rakis.
So, do you know everything about, Khan sir and your Bihar? So, why
I
you
have
told
I
I
have
don't know
watched
everything?
I have watched everything on Reels. I
So,
don't know
yeah,
him.
this is
I don't
enough.
watch his video.
This is enough for knowledge. This is enough for knowledge. People also, busy in these
Yeah,
days. So,
this is the
that's why.
blessing of Reels.
Yeah,
that
blessing.
I get every information via
Mm-hmm.
Reels.
Yeah, right. Right. So, so if you free, so what you will do free time? What you do in free time?
Okay, so I watch cricket matches, and if there is
Oh,
no
this time,
match,
see. This time, running, IPL match. 24, 20, sorry, 12 months not
22nd.
available. No, not 12 months, available, match. Okay, not going match,
Yeah,
12 months.
so
So what time, what
that,
you will do? After,
that's
remove the match. Don't talk match. I know you are very fan match. Free time, what you do?
okay. So in free time, what I do, I watch the highlights of Virat. I watch
Oh my
his
God.
podcast. I watch his I watch
Hmm.
his workouts, and that's all. I watch reels. I talk with my friends. I
Okay.
spend time with myself. I do gardening.
Oh,
That's
garden you
all.
do you like? Oh wow. Nice.
Yeah, this is something that gives me actual peace and happiness.
Yeah,
Watering
exactly.
the plants and taking care of them.
Also, I like, gardening. Already, I, take so many indoor plants. 7, 10, 12 plant. Already, I keep in indoor plants in my home. So outdoor plant, I
Okay.
have a 4, 3, not too much. But indoor plants, too much. So also, I like, indoor
so,
plants. This is a
so what
good
are the
activity.
plants?
So
What are the
plants,
plants you have to?
yeah, every plants is every different story. Some name is Areca plant, some is ZZ plant, ZZ plant, okay? And I know money plant, do you
Money plant?
know?
Yeah. This is
This
the
kind of
common
plant,
plant.
yeah, a money plant and what's, what's his name? Rubber plant. I'm just watching behind rubber plant. So many plants and every snake
Rubber
plants.
plant?
Rubber, yeah, rubber
Rubber
plant
plant
is
means
rubber plants
that plant
there.
gives.
You can see rubber plants there. This is very big leaf,
Okay.
very dark green
So
color,
like,
and that is dizzy
okay,
plant. That is dizzy plant. So
okay.
and snake plants. Snake plants. The shape is a snake plant. This is good for Vastu Shastra according. This is good for home.
So
So
how have you planted money plants at your home? Like in water or in soil?
no, no need. If you will keep any, if you would keep indoor plants, so no need more water. Only after 1 week you can give. So, and
So
this is, I think, your
what
this
about?
question. What do you say?
No, I have tried to plant money plants several times, but
Okay, okay.
never got succeed.
Why? This is very easy. Even you can put only leaf, only water. Yeah, it can survive.
Many
And
people suggested me that plant in soil. Then I tried in soil
soil,
as well.
no.
I tried in.
Yeah, soil also. I soil and also mention and without soil you can keep in a home. And every week please change water. This is most important. So
Okay,
and
I had planted in water, but I used to forget to change water after every week. So
I
that might be
think
the reason.
yeah, I think was most important change water. Without if you will not change water now, so very you can say kitanu. Kitanu is the English word. Dust,
Germs,
germs.
germs,
Yeah,
germs.
forget germs. So that's why
Uh,
please take care. The plant because very sensitive plant, huh? Plants. So that's why. And Areca plant also I like. The leaf is very
okay.
different. Yeah, it's
Any
good for
medicinal herbs you have planted?
medicinal planted in my
A
home.
medicinal plant,
Medicine. Medicine, you
like
told.
no medicinal herbs like tulsi
Yeah,
or
also I have to see that is the outdoor plant, na? This is not indoor plant. So
na,
already I like
in villages that plant is planted in the
marigold
yards.
flower is very famous village side. Marigold.
Hibiscus, China rose.
Hibiscus is also yeah very famous. Actually I like, but that plants na it was na it need sunlight and that is this is outdoor plants so I can't survive because there my balcony side not available so many sunlights. So that's why. That's why always I prefer indoor plant in my home. This is good. Okay. So you have any
So,
question for me, by the way?
do you watch cricket? Did you watch yesterday match?
Definitely. No, evening time, I think match coming now today.
Are you talking about? Yeah, today it is of MI and CSK from 7:30
Yeah,
onwards.
and I can understand this time very debate, China and sorry,
Mhm.
Tamil Nadu, sorry,
Chennai,
Chennai and what city?
Mumbai, Bengaluru.
Mumbai. No, no, Mumbai and Chennai. This day very debate the two city. Do you know? Do you heard this news?
Mumbai and
Yeah,
Chennai
Mumbai,
are
Chennai.
debatable
Yeah,
in the
so many
terms of
debating this time, and that's
in the
why
terms of
20.
what?
I think some bus conductor issues and someone slept. Mumbai person slept. I think Chennai person. So that's why, and that's why yesterday was one day. Stop. South city. One
You
day
mean
stop. Stop.
curfew?
Yeah, no, no, you can't use any car and you can't, Ola, Uber, you can't go anywhere.
Okay, so that was so kind of curfew, which
Curfew,
we
yeah,
had faced
curfew.
during COVID,
One day,
which
22.
we had faced during COVID period.
Yeah, one day is a Anchan, no? Anchan? English word. I don't know.
Yeah.
So that's why. Yesterday was
So,
very bad day.
uh, what do you do in free times?
Free time, actually, I like talk to a strange person. So, and free time.
Apart from this,
Yeah. So if I'm free, so I talk in any strange person. Any actually I have another group is a EL group is a English group. So and also I have another application Skype application. So their side so many YouTuber is available. So I'm talking in a strange person in YouTube. All is a YouTubers there. That's why.
okay, so they are there for the content making.
Actually, I am just started new, so I don't know everything how to talk and all. So I'm trying. I need take time. Then what you
No,
say?
that's good. You are trying.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Okay, so anything like you don't watch cricket. So, like, do you like any player? Is there any your
Yeah,
favorite
so
sports
many.
person?
Yeah, of course. I know. Just like I think I told some Chanchal. What's her name? Hanchal Chanchal is a cricketer.
I'm
Recently,
sure.
he got
I think I heard.
divorce.
Oh, Yuji Chahal.
Chahal,
Yuji
yeah,
Chahal.
sorry, sorry, forgot.
Yeah, yeah.
Chahal, recently he got,
Yuji Chahal.
divorce.
But people, you said right. People in love call him Chanchal,
Yeah,
Chatur,
yeah,
Chalak, Chanchal. So
comedy,
like,
yeah,
but his bowling is good. So
yeah. Actually, be
and
honest,
just
he is not good like good. Looking is not so good. But I don't know why he got because of she's a model, na? So why you got model? Okay. So you,
yeah,
Chanchal, think about self.
Chahal, Chahal,
Tell,
Chahal.
think about self, but he couldn't. It's okay, no problem. Not about beauty is not necessary. Doesn't matter. Behave is very important. So
Yeah, and just
okay,
few months ago, I think it's been 1 year around. Hardik Pandya
18.
has got
Yeah, yeah,
Hardik Pandya has got
yeah.
also divorced.
And he's also, do you know, she, see, Hardik Pandya girlfriend, I know her very, very well because of she's have already girlfriend. She had also already girlfriend, and I don't know why Hardik Pandya got married her. Okay, and but he's very lucky because he all property keep mother. So this is good. But
Yeah,
Chehal is
bro
a
had.
different thing. Yeah, Chehal is a different story because he gave I think 5 crore rupees. Na, I thought.
Yeah, around 4.5 crore.
Yeah, and I think his marriage, getting 18 months. He handling on only 18 months.
Yeah,
Chahal marriage.
it is hardly 10 months.
Only 18 months, yeah. How can decide she's good, she's bad, he's good, he's bad. You
And
can't.
even
Yeah.
Chahal is not, he is not so good looking, but still he got married.
So why
Maybe
you
all
got
because
married
of
her? Why you did? Why you
maybe
did?
all because of money, man.
Money. But you are crazy, na. His think about self, na. Why you got married is a model, okay? So, okay, different things. I think I troll, she got married only for money. So that's yeah. So, and you have any news? Any your match? You want? I can feel you like talk to match according. So.
No, like there is no necessary that I want to only talk about cricket.
Mm-hmm.
I just love cricket, so that's why uh, I am big fond of cricket. So whether, and not only cricket, I am big for a fan of Virat. So
So
whether he
tell me
plays
about
test
Virat
match,
Kohli. Tell me about Virat Kohli,
okay,
please.
what? Do you know his birthday
Everything.
date?
I heard she was not religious before marriage, and after marriage, he's a very religious person. And I saw he went, Virat Kohli went,
Premanandji Maharaj.
Premanandji Maharaj, Mathura, he went, and I saw so many times. So I like this type person. See, both is very rich.
Yeah,
Both are very rich. So why not, taking, divorce and all? Because of both is very mature, not about mature, is a devotee. That this is most important. Both is very devotee. So,
yeah,
and
both
tell me
are,
about, tell me
Virat
about.
was not devotee. Before marriage, in a press conference, a person asked to him
Yeah,
that, "Do you believe in worship?" So Virat replied that, "Do I look
I'm
like
not
puja
kind
part
of.
type?"
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I am not kind of puja part type.
yeah,
Then
yeah.
after when he got married, he left eating non-veg food. He left
Jai Shri Ram,
doing
Radhe
party.
Radhe. I
Yeah,
saw so many times. And you know about
he
him?
has visited. He has visited Premanandi Maharaj 2 times in 2 years,
Yeah, yeah. One
and
baby time he
like
went. I think one baby time he went, Premanand Maharaj. A second baby time he went. Two baby I
yeah,
thought na he have.
they went with their two babies.
Yeah, yeah.
One elder daughter is Vamika, and
Omika.
younger one is what's name is, yeah, Akai.
What's the name?
Akai.
Akai. Do
It
you
is
know
A
means? Do you
A
know means? No,
A.
I don't want spelling. I want to mean. Akar.
Yeah, it is synonyms of Lord Shiva. Akai
Oh,
basically, and
this is very
Vamika is
funny
a
news
synonym
now.
of.
See, I have a question for you. This is very funny news now. You know about Akar's meaning. Okay, Akar means, but you
No,
don't know
no,
about
Akash,
your
Akai.
sin. Akai,
Akai,
whatever.
K
Ak
double A and Y. There is a
Akai.
Y in the end.
Akai.
Yeah.
I said you know about Akai means, okay? And but you don't know about your name meanings. This is very big news,
Uh,
na? And
uh,
now I think
because
it's very
I
weird.
have never thought, the importance of knowing
Self.
the synonym of my own meaning,
Okay, okay.
of my own name.
Mm-hmm.
Despite many people have asked me that what does Anshu mean, but
Mm-hmm.
I have never told them because I did not know. But
Mm-hmm.
you told me that Anshu means what? A ray of sunlight.
Sunlight, yeah. I saw, and even already I seen this picture, that picture. It is not.
Yeah,
So,
you had asked from Meta AI.
hmm. So tell me about Virat Kohli. You told you know about Virat Kohli and all. So tell me, you have any news, good news for why you like Virat Kohli? Why you don't like Chahal and all, and such not such as I give wrong example. I give Sachin, Dhoni, okay, Sehwag, so
uh,
many
because
Yuvraj, so many cricketers available, and
okay.
Shubman, it's very famous. So why you not why don't like these kind of people? Why you like Virat Kohli?
Because
What is it
you know
specific?
When I started watching cricket, so
Mm-hmm.
since then I have been following Virat Kohli. Like I have
Mm-hmm.
never watched the batting of Sachin, because when I started watching cricket, he has taken retirement from all forms of cricket. Otherwise,
Mm-hmm.
of course, he is good player. I mean, good
I know, I
player.
know, I know.
But I have not watched him batting. I have not watched the batting of MS Dhoni. I have not
Mm-hmm.
watched the batting of Virendra Sehwag or Saurav Ganguly. So since that day I started watching cricket, since that time I have been
Mm-hmm.
following him, and
Because
like his
of
game.
you can say your generation. That's why you like him. Is it?
Yeah, like but this is not only the reason, because his game, his performance, his aggression,
Personality,
uh,
yeah, is a very different
personality,
personality. Yeah.
everything
Looking at
is
everything,
like,
yeah. Attitude.
and he is a family man. Like the way
Yeah. Good
he
husband.
keeps
He's a
hide
good
his family,
husband.
and good father as well.
Good father also. Father, you can't say. Because this time kids very small. So how can say good is he's a good father?
No, so like he has not revealed the faces of
Son, you
their
can say
both
son. He's
kids.
a good son. You can say.
Son is, but no, he's good father as well. But he has not revealed the faces of their both kids so far.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
he tries to save them from public. He does not want to, uh, to show them in public and want to post their pictures on
Yeah, yeah.
Instagram.
I saw so many times, some, posters on face. Kids, both
Yeah,
kids. I saw.
Anushka had
Anushka
Anushka
also.
had posted.
Yeah, Anushka had. I think
So
this
anything,
is. Wait. This is the actually. Uh, Hello, are you there?
yes, yes, I'm
Yeah.
listening.
Actually, thank you for connect with me.
Okay,
I will call soon. Okay.
okay, okay,
So
okay,
okay. So
okay.
bye
Bye,
and take
bye.
care yourself. Okay.
Okay, same to you. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye, bye.